Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to decrypt MP4 video. First, it's crucial to understand why your video is encrypted. This could be due to personal password protection or a specific content protection scheme. Identifying the encryption type is your initial step, as it guides your choice of decryption method. Always confirm you have the legal authority to decrypt the content before proceeding. Once you know the encryption type, your next step is to find the corresponding decryption key or password. This might be a simple password you set or a more complex key. Then, you'll need to choose the right decryption software. Ensure the software supports your video's encryption method for a successful process. Many tools are available, so pick one that fits your specific needs. With your software ready and key in hand, open the application. You'll typically find an option to load or import your encrypted MP4 file. Once loaded, the software will prompt you to enter the decryption key or password. Carefully input this information. The process might take a few moments, depending on the file size and your computer's processing power. After the decryption process completes, it's essential to verify the outcome. Play the video to ensure it functions correctly and the content is accessible. If everything looks good, save the decrypted MP4 file to a new, secure location on your device. You might also want to keep a backup of the original encrypted file, just in case you need it later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.